Good morning. Once again, this is Noor Ali with Right Tools for Right Job. Time to time, you need to go back in the past and do a flashback. So you know where you are at your present moment, and so you'll be ready for your future. What you want to do, how you want to get there. Okay, by taking additional courses, by learning all yourself. If you're a self-learner, you need to learn some new technologies, which I will share on my next content. What is out there? What is to come? What are your hobbies, right? Computers, your hobby. Software, your hobby. Do you tinker with tools? Do you tinker with laptops? Do you install? Do you do upgrades? Whatever that you want to do, that you want to keep up with, right? Mindset. It's all about mindset. Like I said, I've taken many courses. Back then, there was no online. We did distant learning, right? They send you books, you do Scantron, you send them the exam, you pass, you move on to the next chapter, you move on to the next phase. I've done many of those. I have saved this from the old times for reminiscing. So one of the career track is known as computer product sales. I used to be inside sales rep. I sold computers on the phone long time ago. The next track is known as software sales rep. They're still out there, right? For big companies, they make good money. The next is called Twitter or Twitter. Is it Twitter? Tutor. Oh, whatever it is. I call it technical trainer, right? I have been in technical trainer 3 times now. I was blessed and I had fun. And who knows what's going to be the next time around. Computer service technician are still around, still in use, right? So here's a brief description what they do right here. If you're in it, great. If you want to get in it, educate, learn, move on. Computer consultants are still around. I've been a consultant on different projects. We call them these days contractors, right? You pick up a gig, you pick up a project, may it be 90 days, may it be 60 days. You pick up a product or a platform, you support it, you do run books, you do playbooks, and you move on. Computer system analyst, well, I've worked on many roles as an analyst, as a security analyst, information security analyst, PC LAN technician, same thing. And here we are, what they do. As it says over here, if you like it, you subscribe, please. As always, I'm grateful to all my viewers, audience, newcomers, new joiners who review, who give me positive reaction to my LinkedIn page. I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Till next time. Bye.